Hey there, little explorers. Are you ready to meet our hard-working digger friend today?
Whoa! Check out all these colorful diggers! Wait, did they just turn gray? Boom!
Oh no, our excavator lost its color. Can you help us pick a bright new shade to paint him?
Maybe we should paint him black, like a spooky night sky? No. Wait, let's go for bright blue.
No.
Ting, look at that beautiful green shine. You are doing such a great job picking colors.
Oh, no!
Another one finished. Nope. Our hard-working digger is looking absolutely magnificent now. Fireworks for our artistic friends. You guys are amazing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Welcome, puzzle heroes. Today, our big construction buddies are rolling into town for a super shadow match.
Whoa, look at them glow. It's like magic. Zoom, zoom.
Everything is turning into silhouettes. Can you help me find where these missing parts belong?
3, 2, 1, go!
Is that the bulldozer's big scoop? Click! It fits perfectly. Great job, team.
I bet it's a giant spoon for eating ice cream. Wait, no, it's for digging dirt. My bad.
Look at that cement mixer spin. Round and round it goes, mixing up the magic for us. Mighty dump truck just got its bed back. Vroom vroom, ready to carry a mountain of toys. Last one. The jolly garbage truck is all shiny and clean now. You did it, you're puzzle masters.
High fives all around. See you next time for more big engine fun, explorers.
Calling all little heroes. Let's get our brave police motorcycles ready for duty.
Vroom vroom. Can you help me find where this missing wheel goes? Maybe here?
Not quite silly. Let's match it to the right silhouette instead. Look at all these mystery spots. Which part fits the brave police motorcycle best?
3, 2,
I bet it's that big shiny one. Rub it in there, kids.
No.
That fits perfectly. Now, can you help us spot the siren for the roof? We're building a super fast team today. Keep up the great work, everyone. Wow, look at them go. Everything is in place, and they look absolutely ready for action.
Ting, ding, boom. You solved the puzzle like total pros.
Yay!
Great job, team. Give yourselves a huge high five for being such amazing puzzle masters. Whoosh! Open that window wide. It's a beautiful sunny beach day, everyone.
Phew! Is it just me, or is our hard-working digger buddy melting under that hot sun?
He's giggling because he's dreaming of a giant, icy popsicle. Can you giggle with him?
What? Oh,
Look at him go. Snorkel on, goggles tight. 1, 2, 3, splash!
Oh, look! A a mystery block friend is floating by. Is he wearing a little life preserver?
Cowabunga! A big wave just brought her digger friend back to shore with a brand new smile.
Boom! Pop! What a party! Great job helping our friends celebrate. You puzzle-solving superstars. Welcome, explorers. Put on your hard hats because we have a wild construction adventure today. Vroom, vroom!
Oh no! The crane and the digger just went boom! Did they run out of fuel, Jose?
Not quite, silly. They are just getting ready for our super-duper shadow matching challenge. Look at these mysterious shapes. Can you spot which hard-working digger belongs in that silhouette?
Nope.
I think the cement mixer goes in the square hole. Wait, that's not right, is it?
Nice try. But let's look closer at the curves. Point your finger at the screen to help us guide it in.
No.
Click! Perfect match. You are absolute puzzle masters, everyone. Give yourselves a giant round of applause.
We did it! Thanks for building with us today. Smash that like button and subscribe for more fun.
Welcome to the ultimate construction zone, explorers. Ready for some big machine fun?
Wow, look at those amazing vehicles sparkle. It's a construction party, everyone.
Everything is coming apart. Let's count down to start our puzzle adventure. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Does this piece fit our crane friend? Oops, try again. Keep looking, team.
Click! You did it! That crane is ready to reach for the sky. Great job matching those pieces!
Crane truck.
Look at that crane go! Cranes are super strong helpers that lift heavy materials way up high.
Truck fitted with a crane, used to lift, lower, and move heavy objects. The crane is typically mounted on the rear or center of the truck chassis.
Now for our hard-working digger. Wait, that piece is upside down. Let's flip it and try again.
Our digger is at the quarry moving big piles of dirt with its powerful
An excavator
bucket.
is a powerful machine with a large bucket and long arm, used for digging, lifting, and moving heavy materials in construction and mining.
Can you spot the shadow for our big mighty truck? Don't pick the wrong one. Stay focused.
Look at that cargo fill-up. Mighty trucks are the best at carrying heavy loads across the
Open box
site.
bed, hinged at the rear, which is lifted by a hydraulic ram to dump its load, commonly used for transporting loose materials like sand, gravel, or demolition waste.
Perfect match. Our giant mining truck is finally whole again. You guys are puzzle masters. Beep, beep. What a fantastic day of
Mining
building
trucks
and
are
learning.
large, heavy-duty truck used in mining operations to transport large quantities of mine materials such as ore and coal. These trucks are
High
built to
fives
handle
all
extreme
around.
loads
You are
and
amazing today. Whoa, did you see that sparkle magic? Our yellow loader just lost all its pieces.
Poof! Where did they go? It's just a shadow now. Oh no!
Poor hard-working digger is feeling so lonely without its parts. Can we help?
I bet it's hungry for some wheels. Nom nom nom.
First, let's find the big sturdy wheels. Do you see them hiding on the side? Drag them right onto the shadow. Click! Perfect. That's one side done.
Yes! Wait, is that a giant rubber ducky? Oh, silly me, it's the engine cabin.
No.
Nice!
Great job. Slide that cabin right on top of the base. Beep, beep. It's coming together.
Oh no!
We need the scoop now. This helps our digger lift all the heavy dirt.
Wow. Almost there. Let's snap that big yellow bucket into place. 3, 2, 1, clunk!
Ta-da! Our hardworking digger is back and ready for action. Hey there, puzzle explorers! Our yellow dinosaur friend is here to help us build some super cool construction vehicles today.
Whoa! Look at those shadows, kids! Is that a giant spaceship? Wait, it's a truck, right?
Not quite! That's our hardworking digger and a big dump truck. Let's find their missing pieces together.
Ready?
Click! That piece fits perfectly into our jolly garbage truck. Great job spotting the match, everyone!
Uh-oh, that piece is too big for the road roller.
no.
Try the other one, guys. You can do it!
Nice.
Vroom vroom. Let's slide that crane arm right into place. Can you point to the crane on your screen? Look at that. The hardworking digger is coming to life. Keep going. We are almost finished. Amazing!
Almost there. Just one more wheel for our mighty dump truck. Give me a big drum roll, please.
No.
Nope.
Ting! Every piece is in its home. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Beep, beep. Our construction team is ready for action. High fives all around for a job well done.
You did it! Our construction friends look so happy. Thanks for playing with us today. You're the best.
Welcome, Puzzle Masters! Today, our hard-working digger friend is meeting up with a big dump truck for a sunny road trip.
Whoa! Oh no! Kaboom! That was a super loud surprise, guys.
No way!
Poor guy, he's so sad to see his strong digger friend in pieces. Don't worry though, we can fix it together. Time to be engineers. Let's click these wheels back into place. Can you help me find where they go?
Okay.
Look at those silly skeletons dancing while we work.
A
Keep
gentleman.
going. We're almost done building our strong friend.
Look at that tiny dancing chihuahua. He's cheering us on as we snap the final bucket into place. Click! Vroom, vroom. He's back and better than ever. Great job, team. You did it. Even Spider-Man is swinging by to celebrate with us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our next big adventure.
Thanos is even joining the party with confetti. You guys are amazing puzzle solvers. See you next time.
Hello, explorers. get ready to meet our heavy-duty construction buddies, the telehandler and the road roller.
Whoa, did they just get zapped into a magic portal? Poof! Now they are just mysterious shadows.
What?
Time to solve the mystery. Can you point your finger at the telehandler's big, sturdy cabin?
Maybe the roller belongs on the roof? Wait, no, that sounds silly, doesn't it?
1, go!
Exactly. The heavy roller goes on the bottom to smooth out the bumpy roads. Let's drag it into place.
Click, snap, vroom, vroom. Look at those wheels, locking into place perfectly.
You are doing great! Let's count the wheels together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic work! Ta-da! Our hard-working vehicles are glowing and ready for the construction site. Great job, team!
High fives all around. You guys are master puzzle builders. See you on the next big adventure.
Welcome, everyone, to our amazing puzzle adventure under the bright blue sky.
Look, Blaze, Zeg, Darrington, and Stripes have rolled onto the beach for some fun. Vroom, vroom!
Oh no, a lightning strike! Who can help our monster truck friends find their missing wheels?
I think this square wheel fits the round spot. Wait, why is it buzzing? Beep, beep! Wrong choice!
That's a tricky one. Let's look closer at the shape. We need a circle to match the tire, not a triangle.
What?
Pop, it fits perfectly! Great job matching those tires. You guys are super puzzle masters.
No, 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 no.
Confetti everywhere. Boom! Our friends are ready to race again thanks to your awesome help.
Very nice.
You did it. Every single wheel is back where it belongs. Amazing! Smash that like button and subscribe for more adventures with our truck buddies. Welcome, construction explorers. Today we're meeting our heavy-duty friends on the job site. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa, did you see that? Our trucks are zooming through a magical light portal. Zap!
See you in the time. Oh, Diddy, oh, Diddy, oh, Diddy.
Look at these mysterious shadows. Can you guess which mighty machine belongs to each outline?
I think the cement mixer goes in the square shape. Wait, is that right?
Not quite silly. The cement mixer needs its big spinning drum. Let's find the right piece together. Yes! Click! That piece fits perfectly into our hard-working digger. You're doing amazing, team! Tall, the pump is ready, and the mixer is spinning! Oh my god!
I knew you could do it! You're a master puzzle builder. High five!
Very nice.
Look at those fireworks! You've successfully finished our construction challenge. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more fun! Explorers! Welcome to our awesome monster truck adventure park!
Look at those cool shark trucks. Can you count all 4 with me? Oh no! Meteors are falling! Zoom crash! Kaboom! Everything is turning into black shadows.
Don't worry, friends. We can use our detective skills to bring their colors back. Are you ready? Look at that silhouette. Is that the gray shark truck? Point to the matching gray piece.
I think the green one goes there. Wait, no, that's the blue one. Oops!
Ha ha ha, silly. The green shark truck needs his own green parts. Let's drag them together. Ready? 1, 2, 3!
Huh?
Ting! Perfect fit. Our shark friends are looking so colorful and happy again.
No.
We're almost done. Only the black monster truck left to fix. Keep going, team.
Did it! Every truck is back in action. You guys are total puzzle masters! See you next time! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Today, our heavy-duty construction team needs a major tune-up!
Hey, is that a giant pizza slice over there? Wait, no, it's a shovel for the digger.
Silly! That's the hard-working digger's bucket, designed for scooping up big piles of dirt.
No.
Time to connect the pieces. Can you spot where the road roller's heavy drum goes? Click! That fits perfectly. Our construction crew is really coming together now.
Vroom! Look at those sturdy wheels, spinning into place. Everything is rolling along smoothly.
Precision is key. Every bolt and cab needs to be snapped on tight for a job well done.
No. Oh my God!
Ting! The final piece is in. Our vehicles are ready for the construction site.
Yay!
Great building, everyone. You're all master engineers. See you next time for more fun.
Hey there, super learners. Ready to zoom into a construction adventure? Vroom, vroom! Look at those hard-working diggers go! Can you count all 4 of our heavy-duty friends with me?
Whoa! A magical witch just zoomed by. Where did all their beautiful colors go?
Oh no, they've turned into mysterious outlines. Don't worry, we can fix this with a little color magic. See those shapes floating above? We need to match the right color to the right machine. It's like a giant puzzle.
I think the blue one goes here. Or maybe, wait, that's not right. Uh-oh, the screen says sad face.
Careful, buddy. Take a deep breath and look closely at the shapes. Which one fits the excavator best? Yes, that one clicks perfectly into place. Ding! Keep going. You're doing amazing.
Oh God!
Every single vehicle is back in color. You did it, construction team? Yes!
Even the dancing rat is wearing fancy 3D glasses. He knows you guys are the ultimate puzzle masters.
You solved the mystery and saved the day. Give yourselves a huge round of applause, everyone! See you next time!
Good job!
Hey, Puzzle Pals! Our Spidey friends are dancing up a storm to kick off today's big challenge.
Whoa, look at those moves. I bet I can dance just like that. Watch me go.
Oh, look! A mysterious shadow appeared on the road. It's a job for our mighty truck!
I think a tractor cab belongs there. Or maybe a giant pizza. No, definitely a tractor cab.
Great guess! Let's use this big crane to lift the cab into place. Heave-ho! Up it goes! Clink! It fits perfectly. The loading bar is moving. We are almost there. Vroom vroom! Our mighty truck is coming together piece by piece. Keep going, Crane. Ta-da! The final piece is locked in. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Boom! Fireworks for our new truck friend! You did amazing today. Thanks for helping us build something so cool. Hey there, puzzle explorers! Welcome to our big nighttime garage adventure!
Whoa, check out that yellow crane! What? Is he trying to tickle our cement mixer friend? Beep, beep!
Wait a minute, did those trucks just turn into a cat and a dog? That's magic!
Maybe they're just playing hide and seek. I bet they're actually Transformers in disguise.
Oh no, our crane and mixer have lost their pieces. Can you help us find them, kids? Point at the screen. Do you see the missing wheel? There it is, hiding on the left.
I think the big gear goes on the mixer. No, wait, maybe on the crane?
Nice try, but let's look closer at the shape. See how it fits perfectly on the mixer? Click! That's the sound of a perfect fit! Great work using that crane arm to lift the parts.
Nope. Vroom, vroom. One more piece to go. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. Snap!
Look at them coming back to life! Our hardworking crane is so strong, isn't he? Ta-da! They are fully repaired and ready for duty! High five, everyone!
Look at all that confetti. You guys are puzzle masters. See you next time for more fun.
Amazing! Hey there, little builders. Welcome to our sunset puzzle adventure.
Look, our construction friends are getting ready for a big job. Can you see them fading away? Whoa! Pieces are everywhere. Is that a giant spoon for a kitchen?
Not quite. Silly. That's a heavy-duty arm for our hard-working digger. Let's help put these silhouettes back together. Okay, team, point at the screen. Where does the big yellow cabin go? Click. Vroom, vroom. Now snap those sturdy tracks on. Perfect fit, just like a puzzle master.
Nope.
Our digger is looking strong. Now can we find the parts for the bulldozer next?
No, 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 no.
Slide that blade into place. Watch out, it's heavy. 3, 2, 1, kerplunk. Amazing work. We've got 2 mighty machines ready for action. Let's clap our hands for a job well done. You guys are construction legends. See you next time for more building fun. Superstars! to our puzzle adventure. Look at our brave yellow tractor friend rolling along the road tonight. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa! Did a flying saucer just zap? Zap! He looks totally dizzy, poor guy.
Oh no, our tractor friend is stuck. He needs a special tool to get back to work. Can you help him?
Let's start the clock. 3, 2, 1, point to the right tool before time runs out.
Oops, that's not it.
Nope.
The tractor says a big red no to that hammer. Keep looking, team. You found it. Click. He used the wrench to fix his engine. Great job, everyone. Yes!
That Crash Bandicoot? He is dancing for joy because our tractor is back in action. Let's dance too.
Fireworks for a job well done. You are all puzzle masters. See you next time for more fun.